Hey everyone, it's the Technical Wizard here, and today I'm going to make a video on my Jeep Comanche Laredo showing how to fix a problem where if you turn on your headlight switch, you don't get these lights, you don't get the turn signals, the side markers, or any of the lighting on the gauges or over there, or even the tail lights, but only the headlights come on. But I fixed this issue recently. It took me a little while, but I finally did it. So you can see here, pull on the switch. Interior lights come on. The tail lights are on if you can see. Buzzer's gone. And you got those. Go ahead and turn this off. Now the issue is a small problem, but it was hard for me to find because I can be dumb sometimes, but whatever. Anyways, the problem is either one of two things. You either have a bad headlight switch, or if it's just one of the specific of the two I mentioned, then it's a fuse. Or could be both. Alright, so here we are in the interior of the truck. Now, to take the headlight switch out, there is a... Let's see here. There's a little button on the headlight switch. If I can get to it, I'll show y'all. But you can see that little button right there. I'll put a thing on the video pointing to it. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. Right there, you push that and you make sure your battery is disconnected, and you'll pull this out. And the little knob will come out, and there's a screw under there. You'll need a flat head. Just take the screw out, and the headlight switch will be out. Now, after you've replaced your headlight switch, just do those procedures in reverse, and that'll put it back in. And just make sure before you try it, you connect your ground cable, or you will blow a fuse. And been there, done that. Now, the second issue could be a fuse. The fuses in here, let's see, it's kind of hard to film. You'll need to replace this fuse, that fuse, and the dome fuse. Those are all of the fuses that I replaced to get this working. And the INT LPS. And I replaced the HDLPY DLP. It's that white one right there. And I also replaced the gauges, which isn't probably necessary. And the hazard, I didn't have another fuse that would work. Actually, no, wait. No, the little prong was broken, so I stuck a wire in there, and it's working right now. So with that being said, when you pull on your light switch, everything should be working. And another thing that was wrong with it was that the brake lights would not come on once I hit the brake. Now, if you're having that issue, the solution's quite simple. Turn my light on. Right here, as you can see, this is the brake switch. You're going to want to loosen that bolt right there and take the switch off and put a new one in. And you don't want to tighten it too much, otherwise all the brake lights will stay on, and you do not want that. So once you do that, you should be able to press the brake pedal and the lights will come on. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and maybe it was helpful to you Cherokee and Comanche owners. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all later.